Starting around 08 July 2023, Bitgert is exchanging at $0.00000023 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. Brise really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $91,401,622, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,569,236 in an unobtrusive manner. This really makes Bitgert, Brise, for the most part positioning at 197 in the digital money market, which certainly is very huge. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert generally be somewhat worth in 2023? Which explicitly is very huge. Is Bitgert a fundamentally wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is very huge. Will Brise cost truly outperform its untouched high? Which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. These really are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross a really normal value level of $0.00000028, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be $0.00000027, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, Brise can sort of arrive at and in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $0.00000031 in a significant manner. Brise value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is determined to generally be at around a very least worth of $0.00000022. Amazingly, the Bitgert value worth can truly arrive at a very limit of $0.00000025, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000024 in United States dollars in a truly significant way. Brise value estimate August 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for August 2023 expects that the Brise may fundamentally arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0.00000026, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.00000024 in a truly significant manner. Discussing the especially normal value, Brise can generally stretch around $0.00000025 for August. So besides, Brise can arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.00000031 in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitgert cost generally is figured to really arrive at an essentially the most minimal cost of $0.00000025 in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost could explicitly arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.00000028, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.00000026, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value forecast October 2023. The cost of Bitgert is truly anticipated to in a real sense reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00000025 in October 2023, exhibiting how Bitgert value expectation October 2023. The cost of Bitgert by and large is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of least worth of $0.00000025 in October 2023 in a sort of significant way. The Brise cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000029, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00000026, all through 2023. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Bitgert cost in a real sense is gauged to for the most part arrive at an especially the least cost of $0.0000026 in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.0000030, with the very normal expected cost around $0.0000027. So Bitgert value expectation October 2023. The cost of Bitgert really is all things considered anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $0.0000025 in October 2023, exhibiting how Bitgert value forecast October 2023. The cost of Bitgert in every way that really matters is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $0.0000025 in October 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost of Bitgert generally is basically anticipated to especially reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.0000027 in December 2023. The Brise cost could fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.0000031, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.0000028 all through 2023, exhibiting that Bitgert Brise value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $0.0000028, the normal especially least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to in every way that really matters be $0.0000027 in an essentially enormous way. Bitgert truly passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been in every practical sense diminished by 2.79% in its genuinely current worth in an extremely significant manner. In the event that we essentially look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert for the most part is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, showing the way that the Brise cost could especially arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.0000029, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.0000026 all through 2023. Or so they sort of thought. The Brise fundamentally is down to nearly 9.49% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how generally is Bitgert an excellent venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially large manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for all things considered, past really couple of days. The coin could explicitly have serious areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in genuinely momentary in an especially significant manner inside the very most recent one.